What's up, guys? Uh, Welcome back to another quick little vlog. Um, I'm doing a Fender roll, and this would actually be some good content because I just wanted to show you guys what would happen if you roll some Fenders with some Bondo on it. I haven't touched this yet. As you can see, well, this panel has been replaced, and there's also little cuts right here, so you know it's also been replaced. And yeah, I don't know, I believe it's Bondo too, so let's see how this goes. This is gonna be fun. Let me see, let me get a good angle. There you go. Alright, rolling a RS6 with some rear panel damage. I talked to the customer already. He said, I don't care, as long as my wheels don't rub. And he said he's gonna do body work on it anyway, so let's do this. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be very fun and messy. I'm not gonna break it on purpose. There's really no point of heating it up, but I'm just gonna heat it up anyway. Oh man. Oh. Ooh, this is gonna turn out very bad. I'm probably gonna message him one last time, and before I start, because I don't want to be liable for this damage. And also, I got it on video. Oh, I'm recording. So you're okay with me rolling this?
Yeah.
Positive?
Yeah.
100%? Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's dead. Super positive.
Yeah, super positive.
Okay. Oh gosh. Alright. You guys heard it. Super positive. Super positive. You know, all this Bondo. See, pitting. That means Bondo. There's some pitting right here. Also Bondo. So this is scary. All right. Angle. Oh gosh, that's not good. You can't roll Bondo, guys. I'm scared of this. This is what I'm scared of. Alright. Super positive, he said. Alright. No point of heat gun, but still. Ow, hot. Okay. Now to this side right here. This side. This side seems pretty light of Bondo. Let's try that. Going on good, other than this part, pretty flat. Focus on that part. Oh gosh. That's a lot of Bondo. I hope I caught that on camera. Whoa. So I had to roll this part in right here. In order to do that, I had to force it a little bit, and a big chunk came off. Ooh. Ouch. But nice. This body work will turn out good when it's done. Man. Alright. I guess we are done. That's flat. Again, you can see this panel's been worked on. Split right there. Where else? That's it. But it is now flat. Alright guys, I'm back home now. If you guys liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. If you guys want more fender rolling videos like that with some crazy Bondo and me destroying fenders, not on purpose. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, let me know, and we'll do some more videos like that. Alright guys, peace out.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.